Hello, YouTube. I don't know why I started like that. I'm mental. I'm the best piano player in the world. No, but I'm actually here to play Subway Surfer. I'm trying to reach the highest round I have ever reached. When it finishes loading, I'm gonna reach the highest round I have ever reached, and I'm not gonna stop until I hit it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're doing good so far. Let's see if we can do better. Almost from doing this so far, I hope I die. I'm gonna die. My highest score is like 2,000. I win! Yeah. Or like 2 million. What do you mean? No, I really reached 2 million. I don't want to watch ads. Who is knocking on my front door? I'm pretty sure that did tell me already. There's a guy with a black car in front of our house. Yeah. He needs some milk. can do better. I've been playing this game from my childhood, and I'm still a child, so my whole life. So I've been playing this game for like my whole life, so I could do better. I could do better. What is that? A skateboard! I got a skateboard! Sweet! Yeah! Yeah, very good. And one more time I'm gonna end this video because I'm pretty bad at this game actually. Oh yeah, so good. Oh damn it! I just one more because I died by the way. Just one more. I'm doing one-handed, so I'm not going my full potential. Oh damn it, I wanna... Oh. Ew, well that would be... That would like... He just asked me how would it be if he could sit down. That would be the worst. Damn it, I died. Right. Oh yeah, I forgot to open my box. And then that would be it for today. Please subscribe and add me on PS4. My PS4 is what is it actually? I forgot. AKA or Boogeyman. Boogeyman. It's AKA or Boogeyman 760. If you want to add me, you have to add me. And if you want, and what do you want to channel name? Alright, and add what is your channel name again? Yeah, and add / beast. I mean subscribe to it and / beast. Best YouTuber, and please subscribe.